Pete the Cat and the Four Alert Levels of New Zealand by Ariel Tull, inspired by Pete the Cat and the Four Groovy Buttons. Pete the Cat was walking outside, working and going to the mall with everyone else to buy some new, colorful, round, groovy buttons. Just then, oh no! The government announced they were going up one alert level. How many alert levels has the government gone up to? One! That's right, because 0 plus 1 is 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Alert levels come and alert levels go. Now Pete has to practice social distancing. He kept on walking to the store, singing his song. My buttons, still gonna buy my buttons. No touching, keep distant, but just for this instant. My buttons. Oh no! The government announced they were going up another alert level. How many alert levels are there now? 2! That's right, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, Pete has to go to the smaller store because there are no gatherings and the mall is closed. Did he cry? Goodness, no! Alert levels come and alert levels go. He kept on walking to the smaller store and away from the mall, singing his song. My buttons, gonna buy my groovy buttons. Don't gather, don't matter, still gonna get my buttons. My groovy buttons. Oh no! The government announced they were going up another alert level. How many levels are there now? 3! That's right, because 2 plus 1 equals 3. Pete had to quickly find his bubble, keep 2 meters from everyone, and make sure his store was within the living radius and could only go to the store one person at a time. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Alert levels come and alert levels go. He kept on walking to the store, standing 2 meters away from the other people in line, singing his song. My buttons, gonna buy my groovy buttons. One stay only one in a time. Wash your hands each time. My buttons, just stay in line. My buttons. Oh no! The government announced they were going up another alert level. How many alert levels are there now? 4! That's right, because 3 plus 1 equals 4. Pete was about to enter the store, but then a security guard came out of nowhere, closed the store, and said, "Sorry, sir, buttons are no longer an essential service anymore." Did Pete cry? Goodness, yes! This alert level made Pete a mess. He went home, slightly depressed, got on Netflix, and for 2 weeks did not get dressed. But then, oh yeah! The government announced they were going down an alert level. How many levels is that now? 3! That's right, because 4 minus 1 is 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Alert levels come and alert levels go. He kept on walking to his formerly non-essential store, hoping that he could do everything with social distancing, buying his button, singing his song. My buttons, gonna buy my groovy buttons. My buttons, gonna buy my groovy buttons. There may be corona, but it's not gonna own her. My buttons, gonna buy my groovy buttons. So kids, we learned from this. Don't cry at level 4, because alert levels come.